Google FRP, Factory Reset Protection, is a security feature that blocks unauthorized devices from getting through. However, sometimes it can also block you from accessing your phone if you forgot your Google account credentials, bought a second-hand device with FRP enabled. Fortunately, there are ways to remove Google FRP lock on any phone. In this video, we will show you the latest and effective way to easily remove Google FRP lock on any Android phone in 2025. Because free and computer-free methods have obvious disadvantages and low success rates, here we introduce a 100% successful method. Just use a professional tool, DroidKit for Android, which can help you remove Google FRP lock on any Android phone, even without password or Google account, including Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, OnePlus, and Huawei, supporting Android 6 to 15. Firstly, free download DroidKit on your PC, and then select the FRP bypass mode. Now connect your FRP lock device with a USB cable and click on the Start button. Then after that, the configuration file will be prepared for your device. Then click the Start to Bypass button. Now follow the instructions shown to put your phone in recovery mode and get your system version. Then hit the Next button. Now follow the instructions to complete the corresponding settings. After completing the setting, it will start to disable the FRP lock. When the bypass process completes, your Android phone will be restarted and you can instantly regain full access to your device. The second method we recommend is to use a tool called Pango FRP Bypass Tool. This tool can help you bypass Google FRP lock on any Android phone using a special FRP bypass APK file. Although Pango is a free tool, it has several limitations. 1. It has low stability and lacks official support. 2. Pango has poor security measures and the success rate of FRP bypass is low. 3. It does not work on newer Android versions or devices. Therefore, you can use DroidKit for Android to remove Google FRP lock from various Android devices. It is a more stable and secure option compared to Pango. Odin is the official Samsung FRP unlock tool that can effectively remove Google account lock. Before using the Samsung FRP reset file and Odin to bypass Google account lock, you need to download the following 3 software. 1. Samsung Android USB driver. 2. Latest Odin flash tool. 3. Samsung FRP reset firmware file. Meanwhile, Odin has the following pros and cons. Pros. 1. Free. 2. Officially supported. Cons. 1. Complex steps. 2. Risk of causing the phone to crash. 3. Incompatible with the latest Samsung Galaxy series and Android versions. We still recommend the professional FRP removal tool DroidKit to remove FRP lock. That's it. The above 3 methods can effectively help you remove FRP lock on any Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.